In any organization, there will be multiple modules. Each module is handling independently their own task and might be handling a lot of documents. This could be R&D documents, even in quality, like when I'm creating an inspection method, where I can maintain the inspection instructions, and that instruction I can link. So when the person is doing the result recording, he can refer that particular document. Document management system module, it's a separate module handled by the DMS consultant. A lot of configurations are required by the DMS consultant. What kind of document type I will be creating, and what kind of file I will be linking, in which particular object I will be linking. Could be my master data. Maybe I want to attach some additional document when I'm doing the usage decision. File could be a text file or a image, whether it is with my inspection lot or to my catalogs. To keep this data in a safe and secure place, I can use this DMS. QA32, press enter key, select all the lots, click on execute, select any one. Display mode I'm going. You don't find the document tab. To attach any document to my inspection lot, which I can refer, the configuration which will be required is, let me go to QCC0, enter, and here in the basic settings, maintain setting at the client level. If I want to activate document management system and I want to link few documents to my inspection lot or the codes, then you need to select this checkbox. Okay, let me save this. I can select, say, DMS, continue. Now let's again check the QA32 report. Let me select all the lot and then click on execute. Select any lot, and then here this document is now coming. Few more settings need to be maintained for this. We need the help of the document management system consultant who will be doing these configurations, basic configurations which are required. It is a cross-application component. We will be maintaining few settings for the document management in the control data. We will be maintaining the number range for this. Click on this. If you want, you can create your own number range. Just need to click on add, and then you can specify the number range to be used, whether you want it external or internal. That can be maintained. The document type which you want, those settings will be maintained. Section which is OACT, enter and continue. You will be telling the repository where the documents will be saved. This is my repository. Okay, DMS underscore C1, it is a standard one only. If you double click on it, it will take you to the further details like the maintain category and all. All these settings are maintained by the DMS consultant. It should be proper. Queuing point of view, what all settings will be required. So we can go to QCC0, enter. In the environment, central function, here defined document type is there. Either you can maintain these setting from here or even from the SPRO, from the cross application component for the document management system. Prefixed with Q are relevant for the quality only, like you want to attach a quality agreement or delivery terms and conditions. See the detail, just double click on it. Use KPRO. This is repository information where the data will be saved once I will be linking the document. So these are the settings which are maintained. As per the requirement, we can change the setting, but unless and until the setting is required, don't add the addition settings here. Let me go back. If I want to create a customized document type, reference one will be DRW, which is an engineering or drawing relevant document type. Then click on copy as to create a copy of it, and here I can enter the document type name and even the description which you want. You can maintain it here. Just press the enter key. Getting the error because for this particular object the screen is not maintained. So if I remove this, let me check and press enter key. So these entries are copied. Continue. This entry also ZQM, and all the entries relevant to that is already copied. Double click on it. We need to select the class type as 017, which is for the document management. And here in the class, I can select the appropriate class. Like for the documents of QM, I can select this one and then click on save. Continue. Go back and then select this and go to the status. Defines document status. All the document status has been copied from that, and delete those entries which are not required. So I can select them and only keeping the archive released and in work, and remaining I am deleting. So I have now these entries for my document type. Let me save this. Continue. Maintain the objects link. Since we have copied it again from there, whichever objects you want to link, that you will be keeping, and if not required, you can remove the unwanted entries from here. Object name is coming. From the quality point of view, I have the quality notification. If you want, you can add the entries. So click on new entries, and here I can specify the document type which we have created, or I can write say ZQM, and my object, suppose QALS I am entering. Okay, so if I click on this, it will give you the list which are available, and from where you can select the object on which you want to link the document. Press enter key. Further details are automatically coming. Let's save it and let me go back. Since I have added QLS, then I will be able to link the document to my inspection lot. Entries. So click on new entries. Let me add Q code QPCD. Enter, and the screen number is coming as 500. Let's save it and let me add one more entry for quality info record also and save it. The appropriate objects can be added SPRO, because from there we can see the complete list of configurations which can be done for the document management system. So cross application component, and in the document management, again you can select control data. Here maintain screens for the object link is there. If you click on this, it will give you the same list which I was getting there when I was trying to link the document. So whatever entry you are maintaining here, that will come in that list. And if you want, here you need to maintain the entry. So, okay, so let me go to my ZQM. and select this and define object links. Let me select all, and I'm just maintaining relevant to the one which I'm looking for. So I can deselect quality info record and inspection log, quality notification. The rest all entry I can delete from ZQM. Okay, so click on delete. So let's save it. Continue. So we have maintained the object list also. Let me go back. Need to define the data carrier. And in this part, few settings need to be maintained with the help of DMS consultant. For the external DMS, internet is selected. Let me go back. The defined workstation application is there. Click on this. This is the application type. Suppose I want to link a text file. So it is the text. Select this, and or we can double click on it. You will be able to see the details for it. Okay, what will be the file format? You will be specifying these details which you will be linking. Here, normally we maintain percentage auto percentage in this part. Whatever is your document type, you will be maintaining this display change in print also. So for my document type, let me add. So I can select my document type from here, which is ZUN, and let me enter, say, all the three entries I need to maintain, and I will be selecting link server. Okay, select all and press enter key. Let me go back. So that entry is added. You can just copy for the change. Okay, select this, copy as, and here I can change my document type as this. Okay, and press enter key. Also print, I can maintain the entry for my document type as this. And now I've added for the text file this document type. Let me save this. Go back. For other document type also, you can maintain these things. To create a document info record, we will be using the transaction CV01N, enter, and here I can enter my document type ZQM. You don't need to enter the other thing, just press enter key. Here I can enter some document. Okay, press enter key. Status, so initial status, let me select this, which is at present available. Press enter key. Save it. My document number is created CV01 for creation, and remove these entries. In the document type, you will be selecting your document type. Document part and document version will get automatically populated once you save it. Okay, press enter key. Initially, the document number is asterisk, and even the part and the version is 00 only. Here you can enter the description, say for the inspection lot document I am creating. And then here the status is there, present not released, and the option which I'm getting is AR. Let me select this because we need to maintain the status also. Press enter key. So its archive status is coming, and with the red sign, let me simply save this. So my new document number is generated, and which is 39. Okay. And go to the change mode of it. It is CV02N only. At present, my document part is this only. Press enter key. Here, let's assign the text file because we have done the setting for the text file. So click on new, create new original document, and here we can specify the application, which is say text file I want to attach. Enter the description, say test I'm entering. And here in the data carrier, whatever options you are getting, because again, this is coming from the configuration. So let me select default. And here you will be telling the file from where it should be picked. So if I select, say, test only, okay, allow it, and then click on continue. So my test file is added, and if you want to see the detail, what data is maintained, just double click on it, and this is some data which is maintained in it. Okay, here at present it is unlocked, so it is not added in the repository. We need to add this text file in the repository. So just right click here, and from that you can select check-in option. And my repository, initially I showed you, this is the standard one only, default storage for the document management main file. Select this. Okay, now the storage category is coming and it is locked, secured, and let's save it. Allow it. Again, we will go to the change mode of it, and this file is there which is stored in this repository and which is locked. Other tabs for data is maintained. Then the language which is maintained is English. And in the object link, whatever objects we have specified, those tabs will come, like the code is there, inspection lot, material master, quality info, and quality notification I have maintained. In the original tabs, you can see the file, which is the original file, which is linked to it. Okay, so in the object link, I will be able to link this document to these objects only. But at present, the document is not yet released. Okay, so first we have to make it released. Let me click on the status again, and I am getting the option to release it. So I will select released here. Okay, here initially the status is red, not yet released. Need to maintain the log, say test one I am maintaining. Press enter key and then click on save. Then we will go to the change mode, and it is status is released for this file. Okay, and in the object link I have inspection lot at present blank. Okay, so let me save this and we will try to assign this document. Me execute it, and let's take one lot which is there in the release date or inspected, because I will be able to link the document in the inspection lot. Change mode, I will be able to assign it. So let's try. If I click on insert row, and again I am selecting my document type as this. Again, we can select, say, the options which are available, created, then select this, press enter key again. Now it is released and it is getting linked to my inspection lot, which is 153. Let's save it. Again, if I go to my document and press enter key, and in the object link, if we go to the inspection lot, it is ticked. If you select this here, it is 153 inspection lot where this document is linked. If we see the detail for this, say usage decision for this icon is there, material document. If you are linking any document to the material, then this will be enabled. For the inspection lot in the document tab, I will be able to see the file which I have linked, text file which is linked to it. If you double click on it, again, if you double click on it and allow it, it is actually taking you to the display mode of the document info record only, and this is the file which is attached to it. So this is how you can link the document, whether it is a text file or it is a any other document type. Okay, let me save this back. Okay, let's save it. Now, if I want to create a version for this document only, so here it is new version. Either I can enter one here, or if I click on this new version, okay, under the number 39 only. At present, the number which is created is 00. Continue. For the inspection lot, already this is linked. Continue. So now the version is 01. Okay. And here, if I want, I can add some more file also. So let me select new entries. And of course, the status need to be changed. Let me select the status which is there, and I'm selecting AR here. Now I click on new entries. Again, I will be telling the application which will be used. So if I select, say, I want to link some image to my course, then I will be selecting GIF. Okay, suppose I'm selecting this, and again some description I can enter for it, and the data carrier again, the option you have, you will be selecting that. And I have already kept one GIF file on the desktop. So let me select this, click on continue. It's a green color GIF. Okay, continue, which we can link with the colors. Okay, so this is linked. In the original, this will get added, and at present it is not added in the repository. Let me add it in the repository. So again, you because here you can see it is repository location is still blank. So you will right click on it, click on check-in, and I will be specifying my repository. Now it is locked, and let's save it. Allow it. So my version number 01 is created. Okay. So if we enter 00 and then go to the change mode, press enter key, there is only one file which is attached. But in the version 01, I have two files which are attached. Let me go to 01. Press enter key. So there are two files which are attached. One is a text file, another is a image. Okay, so in the additional tab, again, nothing is there, but in the object link, so in the inspection lot, the lot is linked, which is coming as screen take. Let's assign this image with one code, catalog type. So I can select, say, characteristics attribute, and here I can select, say, color and selecting, and the codes to which I want to link. So let's keep it, say, green. It's taking. So it is now taped. Okay. Let me save this.